Yo, what is growing on, folks? Welcome back to Beans to Greens. If you didn't notice, we got a bunch of Vivosun equipment. They hit me up and asked to do a collaboration. So I said yes, wanted to check out some equipment. They ended up sending out a bunch of equipment to, share with y'all and, my thoughts on it and all that stuff. So we're going to do some runs and let me just kind of run you through what they sent me. So first up is this 2x4 Pro Grow Tent kit. And in that kit, it comes with this 4-inch inline fan with a carbon filter and a smart controller. So this thing's pretty sweet. It comes with this 200-watt LED Aero Lightwing light, and the side LEDs are adjustable. You could tilt them, so that's pretty interesting. I'm excited to try that out. It comes with this 6-inch clip-on fan. It does 10 speeds, natural winds, and it comes with this trellis net. Also comes with the garden shears. The garden trimmers that are next to it, and some 5-gallon pots. Also some garden tie, and it has its own clipper on there, so that's pretty handy. And this is just some dust covers for the inline fan ducting. So the whole kit comes with a lot of stuff. And outside of that, I asked them to send me an extra 6-inch clip-on fan because the one in my flower tent's starting to take a dump. So I just want to make sure I got one on hand for when that thing craps out. And then they also sent me this humidifier as well. So I'm pretty excited to check this out. This is a bigger humidifier. It holds quite a bit of water. And then also they sent me a smart camera, which I'm super excited about that. It does time lapse. It also hooks up to your Wi-Fi so you could remote in and look at your garden, while you're out of town. So if you're trying to automate things, it's really nice to be kind of able to check in on that. But we're going to be doing a couple of grows inside this grow tent. I'm going to do another video after I have it set up to show you the setup and how I set it up. And then also I'll just give you my initial review on it and, initial thoughts, so to speak. And then what we'll do is we'll do a couple grows in it. Let you guys know what I think, as we're growing along, how things are performing, what I'm seeing. And when we're done, with a couple grows, I'll give you my thoughts on the equipment after that as well, too. So if you're interested in picking up any type of Vivosun equipment, make sure you use my promo code BEANS2GREENS at checkout, and you'll save 15%. And then every time you end up using that promo code, it helps out the channel as well. So I would really appreciate, anything you could do there. So, but yeah, this is all the stuff that they sent me. I'm pretty excited to get this stuff all set up and start some more grows. So speaking in which, make sure y'all are subscribed to the channel and you're set up for notifications, because like I said, I'm going to have some more videos coming out about, setting this thing up and then what we're going to be growing. So I want you guys to be part of that. So make sure you're set up for subscription. Also, make sure you're smashing that like button. I really appreciate y'all for doing that. And then also drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all have growing on inside your gardens. I always love to find out. So yeah, that's what we got going on here. And until next time, let's keep growing together.